and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we have reached Kerala and right now we are in Wayanad, and obviously मेरा आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा होगा because it's the main road, as you all can see. And apart from that, abhi I will show you all how the place we are staying. So just a second. So this is what the room looks like where we are staying for the next few days. So this is how the room is. This is my room. It's basically the kitchen. Just ignore जो कपड़े सूख रहे हैं. Then so this is my room, and Jerusha, Siddhi Damse are my partner. I don't know why she's doing what she's doing with an uninvited guest. This is the view behind the bed, and this is selected by Siddhi Damse. So it's really pretty. Apart from that,
the sweetest mess we have.
हाँ तो इनका रूम ऐसे दिखता है.
This is all Charlotte's. All Charlotte's.
No, even Jessna's, right?
These two bitches have ruined it. Mine is एकदम clean, okay?
हाँ
But
ओके.
we love messes.
बस कट का फुटेज नहीं मिलेगा. हाँ हाँ
Charlotte's room.
हाँ इधर का रूम इज एंड बाकी तो है. त्रिवेणी क्या कर रही है? अरे वी हैव टू नॉट गो अगेन. वेट, डोंट. Before leaving, let's take a cup of tea and enjoy the view. Today we are going to tea farm and zipline. Tea farm का पक्का नहीं है, but let's see. Then we'll be trying different types of tea and also the zipline which is there. Then I would update you all for the same. फिर मिलते हैं at the zipline. This is what I wore and this is how I look for my day one, and let's go. तो हमने एक लोकल आउटलेट पर स्टॉप लिया, हैड अ ब्रेकफास्ट, एंड दिस इज हाउ आई एम फीडिंग सोफी एंड वी बोथ आर एंजॉयिंग, एंड वी लेफ्ट फॉर टी फार्म. And this is the tea farm, and let's take a moment to appreciate the view. I mean, just look at it. यहाँ मैं रेडी हो रही हूँ for my first ever zip line. I am excited but scared at the same moment. We are going for zip line. Then I'll shoot and then I'll show y'all.
Let's go. Yes, let's go. Woohoo.
So this is the zip line thing from here to there to that end. I'll show y'all. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. I did it. Place is insane. I did my zip line for the first time and it was amazing. I'll show you all the view once again before I leave. This is the view. I mean, just look at it. हम ट्रैक करते हुए हमारे नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पर जा रहे हैं, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ आई लुक. एंड चलते चलते obviously I had to tell you all that we are going to a place wherein we can see the whole Wayanad ka top view. Wait. And we reached the top. I mean, it looks like heaven. Just look at it, bhai sahab. It's so pretty, oh my god. But just one drawback कि यहाँ धूप बहुत थी. Oh la 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 la.
अरे पकड़, throw your that vlogging thing and walk like a human being.
भाई सबसे लास्ट में आई एम देयर. अगर मैं घूम गई तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन. अभी मेरा पैर भी स्किट हुआ पीछे. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन. हाँ, क्योंकि सारे लोग आगे चले गए हैं. सो नाउ आई एम फॉलोइंग देम. इन्हें चलते चलते एक कोकोनट ट्री का ब्रांच मिल गया. ऑब्वियसली इनके दिमाग में कुछ तो खिचड़ी पकड़ी थी. एंड देखो नेक्स्ट क्लिप में जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. जब वी वर किड्स वी यूज्ड टू प्ले ऐसे, तो वी आर जस्ट रिक्रिएटिंग द मेमोरीज.
How was your experience?
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
Again, I stopped to capture the beauty of Kerala. I mean, wow. Okay, so now we are heading to a dam. तो वो डैम का नाम मुझे नहीं पता है. उधर पहुंचने के बाद I'll show you all the डैम. हमारे साथ एक स्कैम हो गया. एंट्रेंस पे दे चार्ज अस. देन इनसाइड आने के बाद लाइक यहाँ से और 1 किलोमीटर अंदर जाना है. देन वी डिसाइडेड नो, वी विल नॉट टेक द गाड़ी, वी विल go walking. Now see, all are going now walking to the dam. I don't know रास्ता भी सही है क्या नहीं, बट पता नहीं, पहुंच जाएंगे शायद. ये we reached. Guys, I mean look at the view. Wow. जिसको हम ये फेंसिंग से ही देख सकते हैं, पास नहीं जा सकते.
देखो मगर दूर से.
हाँ भाई, we all are tired, fed up, walking, talking. I'm so done. My 2 साथीदार्स. साथीदार, I don't know if you all are coming, but है ये मेरे साथीदार. Okay, so we are going for speed boat का ride. Me, Jasna and Jerusha with 2 foreigners. Okay, even we don't know, it's very awkward, but let's see. Guys, hi. Uncle, say bye. Around 9:30 at night, we went to this place known as Tod in Malayalam, and here we basically have bath. तो यहाँ जाके देखा तो पानी ही नहीं है भाई. After the disappointment at Tod, we decided to grab a tea. Here's what we ordered, as you all can see. Hello there. Day 2 it is, and this is how I look. This is my outfit of the day. Now we are going to head for our next destination. And ज़्यादा धूप है. Okay, let's go. Guys, we have come to Mailadipara. हम लोग ठंडी के मारे मर गए. We came all walking down way from down to up. Now more up we have to go. ऊपर जाने के बाद फिर I'll show you all the view. अभी तो फिलहाल के लिए बाकी सब लोग आगे चले गए. सिद्धि और मैं सबसे पीछे. I'm very tired. भाई साहब, इतना चलने के बाद then finally I reached on the top. that too last from the whole group. And this is the view, and here is a small temple. The view is amazing. इसीलिए मैं शांति से I'm just observing and enjoying. हम यहाँ एक्चुअली में सनराइज़ देखने आए थे, बट हमारा सनराइज़ ऑलरेडी होम स्टे पर ही हो चुका था. As girlies, we came here to just absorb a little vitamin D. That's all. इसके बाद we are heading to the most awaited glass bridge. पहले तो you have to take a jeep, then ऊपर जाना है, then उसके बाद मिलेगा glass bridge. To be honest, this jeep ride was so traumatizing for my body. And we reached here. After jeep now, I don't know कितने degree incline पे we all are walking. पैर का बैंड बज गया सबका.
We are 4,600 kilometers above sea level.
Wow, nice.
Okay. See our glass bridges are only right.
दो ऐसे ही निकल रहे हैं.
जो थका वो मोटा.
तो भागेगी मोटी नहीं.
Yes.
We are healthy people who are up.
चट्टा चेची पिड़चू.
Come here. So deep. So यहाँ से मैं ऊपर ट्री हाउस की तरफ जा रही हूँ, me and Jasna, to see the top view from this angle. After my swing वाला thing, now I decided to go for a zipline cycling. Already इसके tickets ले चुके थे हम on the ticket counter. And this is how I'm doing, giving my luck, and yoo-hoo, I completed my lap. This is our third destination for the day, and उससे पहले थोड़ा सा rehydrate हो जाते हैं. And this is my नींबू soda, and it tastes good. अभी वाटरफॉल को तो देखते हैं पहुंचने के बाद हाउ इट इज़, बिकॉज़ हमको पता नहीं है वहाँ पर पानी है या नहीं है. फिर देखेंगे, पानी है तो वी वुड ऑब्वियसली गेट वेट एंड यू नो एन्जॉय. देन उसके बाद मूव टू द सेकेंड वाटरफॉल. देन रात को मे बी वील डू ग्रिल एंड अ स्मॉल पार्टी टाइप्स इन द हाउस इटसेल्फ. वाटरफॉल के यहाँ का आई माइट पुट एक दो शॉट, मतलब आई विल शो यू हाउ इट इज़, because this whole place is so beautiful. And apart from that, people are staring at me जैसे कि मैंने कुछ तो पाप किया है व्लॉग करते हुए जा रही हूँ. चलेगा. This is how I look and this is how they look. Okay, bye. Guys, wait, we saw one bandar. Here, this is the way. Here we change the clothes, and this is how I look now. And then इसके बाद we'll go again trekking करते हुए नीचे. Then नीचे जाने के बाद I'll show you how the waterfall looks. हम लोग वहाँ जाके भीगेंगे, enjoy करेंगे. बस आवाज़ आ रहा है, पता नहीं है कहाँ है. We are just going down. I don't know. We reached the core of the earth. बट आ नहीं रहा है, पता नहीं कहाँ पर है. देखते हैं. अरे इट्स वेरी डाउन. एटलीस्ट ये लोग इधर तो पहुँच गए. मुझे कितना ज़्यादा चढ़. Let's go down and enjoy the waterfall. Last thing of the day, grill and chill. So, with my girlies, we are here at the farm. Thoda sa girly talk. Hello, day 3. So, this is my outfit, and we headed to Win Bay for our brunch. And this is the ambience. The food that we ordered arrived finally. Now, just look at what all we ordered, and this is the view. Oh my god, like having your brunch and enjoying this view. I mean, great. Okay, so our next stop was a tea farm, and this is what it looks like. We stopped here to take some pictures. This is so beautiful. बहुत सही है. This is basically tea farm. Tea farm. I don't know who owns this, but this is like a 100-acre का thing. And यहाँ पर like we just came to click photos वगैरह. It's very beautiful. Wait, I'll show you. This is how a girls trip looks like. सबको photo लेना है. Photographer is ready. Best ice cream of Kerala. It is shopping time and हम सब लोग यहाँ पर shopping करने आए हैं यहाँ पर. This is just a random store and now we are at Edical Caves. उसके यहाँ पर these we found. I don't know why I wore heel वाले shoes. Guys, we are in some jungle. I don't know which, but we have come here to see sun set. Oh, fuck. Wait, I'll show you all. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Like, we have to wait for the sunset, but wow. Then हम थोड़ा सा शॉपिंग करने के लिए रुक गए for buying some snacks for our home. I must say, Bhaiya is really helpful. After spending 3 days in Kerala, फिर याद आया अरे अकाउंट्स तो किसी ने संभाले ही नहीं. तो फिर हम बैठे कैलकुलेशंस करने and it was around 3:34 by what time we slept. Hello, hi, and today is our last day in Wayanad. Today we are leaving for Pune. हमारा train है at around 9 o'clock and then we'll be heading back to Pune. Before that, today we would be going for a beach, I guess Kozhikode में, and then उसके बाद शायद से local shopping के बाद again back to Pune. We are in Kozhikode and अभी हम जा रहे हैं लंच करने and ये दो है मेरे साथी. लोगों को लगेगा बस में आई डोंट नो. यहाँ पर सब लोग ना ऐसे ही बुलाते हैं लोगों को कम 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 करके. लीव चलेगा. We stopped at a resto and had a lunch. Again, a little shopping time, and I would thank Charlotte for getting me here. So we rested for a while, and now we are moving to beach. And now after beach, then we'll go somewhere else. But now, as of now, was beach. This is our outfit. These are the people. Also, सब लोग हमें घूर रहे हैं. और हम बीच पहुंच गए. इट वॉज पीसफुल. इसके बाद हम फिर से रूम चले गए, टुक आवर लगेज एंड स्टेशन आ गए फॉर आवर ट्रेन. our train was obviously delayed. And शायद ये clip है लोनावला के बाद का. And I reached Pune. It was a trip to remember, guys. I swear. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more vlogs.